Can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, place someone in the chat. Let's see what's going on with the market today. Yeah, all right, word. For the week, we're bearish. I'm going to go to the daily because I'm trying to get a scalp in. I'll be out the way. I appreciate it, Jay. NAS100. GU.
Are you serious?
Hold on one moment, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. Let's see if we can catch a setup today. See, we only have red folder news at 10 o'clock this morning. This is what I've placed this week. You guys can see Monday I didn't trade. Monday I didn't trade. Tuesday I traded. Wednesday I did not trade. I withdrew the funds. I withdrew most of my funds, so I just have 44 left right here inside of the account. So the goal is to be able to grow this small account right here. I'm gonna keep my eye on this zone right here. Yeah, that's like the only thing. That's the main thing I see is this NAS 5-minute supply. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. We got this imbalance. That price may come up here and fill. And then from there, we'll see if we could be able to potentially get an entry. Right now, like this uptrend right here, this is, I look at it as if it's just a pullback. This is a retracement to be able to probably around the stock exchange open around like 9:30. Price may get ready to like grab some type of liquidity to possibly come down or just go up really quick to fill in this imbalance and possibly fall down. So this is what I got my eyes on. As of right now, this is the only thing I see. mark up this as well because it has imbalance connected to it. We also have the 50 EMA. So if price does come up here, it may possibly tap the tap and reject off the 50 EMA potentially to possibly sell off. But I'm going to see what's going to happen once price get up here. What the hell? I know y'all just seen that. If you guys want to know what broker I use Sway Markets. Feel free to click the link in the bottom of my description of this YouTube live stream. If you guys are looking for a broker, highly recommend Sway Markets. That's a hell of a push down right here. What the hell's going on? Yeah, more likely the DXY is blasting off because how all this stuff is going down like this. Yeah, DXY has to be going up. Yeah, DXY is on some weird shit. Yo, that's kind of awkward. It's kind of weird. Usually when DXY go down, AU, EU, GU goes the opposite direction. Yeah, so this is kind of weird. I don't know what's going on here. I appreciate all you guys for tapping in. Right now, by just looking at everything, it's just like a waiting period. It's like a patient game right now. So I'm just waiting for a setup. Right now, a setup may not come within like another hour, maybe. I don't know. Just by looking at this, it looks kind of weird. But one thing I do ask you guys to do for me is to just press the like button. Just simply click the like button. I really appreciate it. don't ask for much, but y'all to click the like button for me. And that's looking like liquidity grab. London session low here. London session high. We're trying to catch a dub today, y'all. Patience gonna do it. Yeah, that's the it's lagging because bro, I'm gonna eventually buy a I'm gonna buy like a camera so I can actually start live streaming on it. I'm using some weird app to connect to my phone to use my to have the camera. But if you can see, the live stream is pretty much like the screen is pretty much smooth, bro. It's just it's me. Like I'm glitchy as hell, bro. Yeah, I'm not digging it either. I don't know why GBP USD here. I ain't added GB. I ain't added GU on my watch list. Yeah, fuck GU. Right, for sure. Thank you, bro. Price grab this liquidity. This is what I'm anticipating to happen. It already came down, whatever. It may do a little dance in this area, so come down a little bit. Come up here. Possibly give a potential entry, break a candle. Take it all the way down to London session, last session lows. Let me do this again. This area right here. market block. I mean order block. All right, price came down, grab this liquidity, boom. I can remove this, so now this is the liquidity over here. Let me just put a dollar sign here. This is the liquidity level here. Price may even come back down here. Knock out this London session low. We'll see. I'm just putting in what I'm anticipating that possibly happen. Can target this area. Can possibly target that area. This might be a big trading day. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see AU. Gold. Yeah, I only got my eyes on this right now. For the ones that are tapping in, I appreciate you guys for tapping into this live stream. Yeah, right now I'm currently waiting for this NAS100 setup. No telling when it's gonna finally start to play out up into this supply zone. But what I'm anticipating here is I have some imbalance. I'm anticipating that price to come up here and fill in. We also have price also left some type of left liquidity up here. I'm anticipating that price eventually come up here to this 5-minute supply order block to give me a potential break of candle entry. And I can first write it down to this zone 1. And then obviously my last T probably be here. And the reason here is because this is the last low of London session. You guys can see right here. This is London session's low, the lowest of London session. I'm going to target that area because price tend to target certain areas in previous sessions as liquidity. So right now it's just a waiting game. I'm waiting for a price to do what it has to do. It may happen, it may not happen. This is just what I'm anticipating. Like one thing I did learn about Swaggy C is that you don't want to predict the market. You want to be reactive to the market. So I'm going to react to what the market presents to me up into this area for me to potentially get a sell and ride it down. So yeah. This is what I'm looking at, NAS100. I don't see much of anything else with the Forex pairs. I did see this supply area that price had. Also had some imbalance that was connected to it, and you got an EMA that was going through it. When it was up here, I thought that price was going to go up into this order block and possibly reject this EMA to sell off to the downside. But as you guys can see, some weird shit happened. So right now I'm just waiting. And if you just tapping in, if you have not liked my live stream yet, I would appreciate if you guys do click that like button. I would really appreciate it. That's the only thing I would ask for you guys to do for me. I do put a lot of time and energy to make sure this live stream is possible. Hey Stretch, didn't mean me get her new funded credit. All right, so she do have her funded account with Rocket 21. She's up 2% in it, but Rocket with the bullshit. And she also have the we have the funding pips phase 2, nothing yet neither. So bro, to be honest, unfiltered, bro. This live stream is unfiltered. You guys can actually put anything in the comment section. I do take constructive criticism, but as of right now and how things are playing out, man, fuck prop firms, bro. Just like that. Fuck prop firms, dog. We only fuck with live accounts right now. No telling when Rocket gonna be back up and running. No telling when funded Pip's gonna be back up and running. So as of right now, fuck both of them shits, man. Oh, are you concerned with higher time frames for weekly? All right, so yeah, you're right. So this is you're absolutely right, Dominique. I'm gonna just show you really quick. So in the higher time frame, very, very, very bullish. So in the 4-hour time frame, I see that price as a resistance up here. I anticipate that price gonna do some type of pullback to this area to possibly continue to go to the upside. But I realized how big this 4-hour candlestick was. This is a new day. We got a nice rejection from the upside. Also, bro, every other day we did have rejections also. But yeah, right now what I'm trying to do is try to sell the pullback. I'm gonna try to sell the pullback. The only time I'll be able to get a sell position in with NAS100 is if price tap into this order block. It'll be like I'll be selling it from here, from up to here to target this low. That's it. Yeah, I don't know what's up with these prop firms, fam. Like it's annoying. It's very annoying. Wait for the EQ open. I don't even know what the EQ is. Trading equates. What? Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. Unless I know a different terminology or something like that, but I'm not familiar with what equate is. Oh, you talking about when the stock market opens? Oh, 9:30. That's when a lot of volume gonna come in. At that point, bro, I don't even know what's gonna happen. It moves too fast. I don't like to get into trades as soon as it open. So let's just say, for example, right? What I would let's just say, for example, if NAS, let's say it's 9:29 right now, and it's a minute before stock market open. If price run up really quick and give me a nice rejection, or start playing this area and give me like a break a candle or something like that, I would enter it for a sale. But then again, bro, when it stop, bro, like just like what his name is, just like Dominique was saying, if bro, it's very very bullish. It can say fuck everything that I'm thinking about and just blast all the way up, because in reality, we are in a very fucking we in a strong uptrend. This trade is a bit, it can be a bit risky. It can be a bit risky because, bro, price created a big ass blue candlestick. But then again, we're respecting this area over here, bro. I look at this as if it's some type of support, and already we got a nice rejection from the zone, so that can be like the beginning of the continue to buy to the upside. But I'm trying to catch something on the smaller time frame. I just want to be able to possibly catch something on the smaller time frame. If it gives me an entry, if it doesn't give me an entry, I just probably not gonna. Bro, today just made dead ass not be a trading day, bro. I only traded Tuesday today. I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't trade Monday. I don't trade Wednesdays anymore. Wednesdays are dead.
You traded yesterday.
That didn't count.
I was gonna say you did trade with me.
So I hope this gives me this push up that I've been looking for. We're just waiting. I'm with Funding Next so far. They're still paying out, but I'm also taking a challenge with Top Step. It seems more professional with future. Oh yeah, bro, for sure. I've been learning futures, bro, on the low. I've been going through some personal shit lately. So the past couple days I have not, but I've already set aside for tomorrow. I'm gonna be able to put some time into learning futures, bro. Like more time into learning futures. It's on contracts. It's kind of intricate, but at the end of the day, like it's all the same dynamics. I just gotta get used to different interfaces and different platforms. At the end of the day, it exists for us to be able to learn it anyway. So I've been looking at Tradeovate, bro. Like I've been learning Tradeovate. So far I like it. I don't have no problem with it. So far it's straight just learning it. Like I say, it's very different. Just I want to learn. I want to make sure I learn. I gotta learn things. I can't just stay in one. I can't just stay in the box. But yeah, I use Tradeovate. I demo traded it. So as of right now, bro, it's just like I really want to get it down pat. Eventually, I'm gonna do live account and hopefully be able to make some bread with it. Cause as of right now, I just want to make sure I get it down pat, bro. No, I didn't connect it with TradingView. I was just trading on the Tradeovate on there. They have their own platform. I was just testing it out on their own platform. So one thing you can do, like I don't really like these. I don't like these positions right here. There is a setup here. I just don't like these setups. That's why I didn't call it out. But this is NAS100, and I'm explaining why this is a setup right here. So right here, there's a breaker structure, right? I don't like this. And this low, this was the last. That was the last low, and as you can see, price broke that low right here. So this was like a change of character. All right, price pulled up to this supply zone right here. I don't like these setups because price been in this area for too long. It's a decent setup, but I don't like these setups. And there could be a potential. By looking at this, there could be a setup for price to come down. Me personally, I don't like these setups. But I did see this this NAS setup. I don't like it. I don't like it because this is like the only, there's no more imbalance. There's a little bit imbalance here, but if you look here, there's no more imbalance. This is the main imbalance right here. I want price to come up and eventually fill in for me to be able to potentially or possibly get a sell-off. But I don't like this shit. But yeah, back to you, Trades by J. Trades by JB. I'm gonna call you JB because I see you all the time. I'm gonna just call you JB. Once I do start a live, like start trading futures live, I'll probably more likely use TradingView. I'm probably more likely use TradingView because I'm familiar with how to set up the charts. Like Tradeovate is easy to set up the charts and all, but I just like I don't know. I'm just assuming. I might trade a TradingView, then again I might just use Tradeovate. Get to see you trading, boss. I'm an electrician trying to also trade full time. Thanks for the fire. I really appreciate that, Danny. I really appreciate it, Danny. I feel you, bro. Like, I haven't worked electrician, but construction, man. Most of you guys that do follow me and been watching my journey. But I'm gonna continue to drop my content. The content that I upload is gonna start changing up very soon. You guys are gonna see the content's gonna start getting fire. Price really been respecting this area on NAS100, boy. There has to be like some type of support right here. You guys have the idea. This is what I'm looking for to possibly happen. Something of this nature. Something of this nature. Bro, today dead ass me not even be a trading day. I'm gonna be honest, because when 11 o'clock comes, it's over with. I'm not trading. Bro, if you guys just tapped in, click the like button for me. I appreciate it. If you guys want to know what broker I use Sway Markets. They have their own trading platform. Their platform is Sway Charts. Good morning, Stretch. Any opportunities on AU? I'm not looking at AU. Well, AU. This is I see this on a small time frame. I'm gonna do a top down analysis on AUD USD real quick. I'm gonna do a top down analysis. Bro. Weekly time frame. We got this bearish engulfing on a weekly time frame. Boom. This is like the only thing that makes sense. And then you may ask yourself, is there any significance in this area? Like, why did price fall from this area? And the only thing I can see is that, like, on a higher time frame, daily, weekly, I look for like support and resistance areas. So this is what I see on the higher time frame. I see this on AUD/USD, and also price is below this 50 MA. This is a weekly time frame. So by looking at this is why I'm seeing this is to happen. I'm explaining this because I just want you guys to actually see how I look at the market. There's no right or wrong way to go about it. Everybody trade different. At the end of the day, everyone trades different. I just do what works for me. Higher time frame, support, resistance. Mainly, I want to understand like why is price going where it's going, and like at what areas, what key areas. So that's weekly. That's the only thing I see on the weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, it's just pretty much zoomed in. Price rejected off this EMA, the 50 EMA, and price creating lower lows, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, possibly. I don't know. And also, you can see a daily. There's like a daily supply area right here. So before this big wick, there was an imbalance. Price came in filling this imbalance. You got this nice rejection off this area. So boom. By looking at it on the higher time frame, AUD USD is very bearish on the HTF on the higher time frame. That's the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks very noisy on the 4-hour time frame. But you guys can kind of still see that price is still very bearish. Like it's pretty much very bearish to the downside for the most part. 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, price look like it's going sideways. I won't see anything to trade off of by looking at this 2-hour time frame at all. 1-hour time frame, pretty much the same, but you can see that price is coming off these EMAs right here. 30-minute time frame, not too much data. It look like a pullback or retracement on a 30-minute time frame. But then again, things get a bit clearer on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, we see that price have some imbalance, and there's an EMA that's going through. There's a 5-minute order block. I'm going to go to 5-minute time frame. There's a 5-minute order block. So what I'm anticipating to do is price sell off from this order block, because on the higher time frame, price is very bearish. I will not buy AUD USD. I will only look for opportunities to sell AUD USD. And the first opportunity that I see to sell AUD USD is from here. This is the first spot I can see that price have potential of selling off from. The next spot I can see that price selling off from on AUD USD is if price break through this, it may possibly come to this area over here. Price may come to this area to possibly sell off. But I'm very bearish on AUD USD. So that's my top down. That's for AUD USD. As of right now, I don't see no area of interest to do anything. If you want to counter trend buy, there's a 5-minute demand right here. I don't recommend taking this shit, but you can. You want to pull back to this area to go up. Probably go for like a 1-on-1. Call it a wrap up into this area. But I don't recommend counter trend trading, because at the end of the day, price is very bearish on AUD USD. We got like 16 more minutes left before the stock exchange open. So I hope you guys was able to understand how I look at the market by giving that top-down analysis on AUD USD. If you are a support resistance trader, also, shit, you can buy from this area, have your stop loss here, have your take profit here. I don't recommend doing that, because at the end of the day, I just don't recommend doing that. Great explanation, boss. Understood well. Word. Yeah, for support resistance traders, bro, it'll be this. Enter stop loss here at the bottom of this area. Take profit there. You go to 1. Whatever. I'm just put that here. For new people that may jump in the chat, they can see it. I am not in no trade yet. Just so you guys know, I'm not in a trade yet. guys are tapping in, please press that like button. I would appreciate it. I put time into my live streams just for you guys, not for me, but for y'all. I want to give a shout out to my newest subscriber, Varee Lawson. Thank you for tapping in. I really appreciate you for tapping in. You got Shy, you got Humazed Butt, you got Judith. I don't even know how to pronounce these names. You guys got to be from like Europe or something. My stream goal is 3,600, and we are almost there. Yeah, we're more likely not going to be taking no trade until after the stock market open. She's another stream. Been waiting for another one stretch. Yeah, for sure, bro. I haven't traded since Tuesday. Took a win on EU yesterday. Currently a drawdown on GBC, Jeff. No, I'm not in a buy. I was just explaining. No, I'm not in a buy. I was just explaining, like, for support and resistance trader, that would be a buy. But I just put that there. I'm waiting for a sell opportunity from this area. I'm waiting for a sell opportunity from this area. If it gives me a entry, I'll do like, the reason why is because price have imbalance. There's liquidity right here, and this is London sessions low. This is previous sessions low. This is the lowest spot that London session had, and price tend to act like a liquidity area in previous sessions high and low. So I'm anticipating that when the stock market opened, or obviously before the open, I thought that we were gonna get a push up to this area, this 5-minute order block, grab this liquidity and fill in this imbalance to take a sell down to this area first, or this second last. Grab this liquidity potentially tap into the support area for a price to buy it all the way up, because in reality, NAS100 is in a higher time frame, like bullish, very bullish. So that what I would anticipate. I was just putting it on. Damn, that's weird, bro. That was so weird. How long was I silent for? Yeah, but I was saying that I'm pretty much. Can you hear me now? Y'all should be able to hear me now. Mic check. Yeah, you guys should hear me. But yeah, I was just explaining why you guys can hear me, right? Why does that happen? Okay, word. But yeah, what I was just saying is I'm lagging. The live stream don't lag. It's just the camera lag, because the shit that I connected to my phone, it's kind of awkward. But more likely next week, y'all, it's gonna be pretty much smooth. Let me see what AU doing now. Oh wow, AU went up there, grab liquidity. Something. I highly recommend, because the way I first started learning how to trade is just YouTube. If you don't know much of anything about trading, I highly recommend you go to babypips.com. That way, because I know the things that I may be talking about it could be confusing, but I learned the basics through babypips.com. What babypips.com tell you what pips is, what liquidity, like what imbalance is, what is a candlestick, what is a wick. They give you certain basic trading styles, but then from there, yeah, give you the pretty much the basic styles of on how to trade. I don't know. Oh, and I highly recommend the basics. The person that teaches the basics is Swaggy C. But yeah, there's so much different. It's bro, the industry is so saturated with information. Just know that there's different type of trading styles as well. There's support resistance, there's ICT, there's smart money concept, there's supply and demand. There's people that only trade Fibonacci retracements. But it's so many different, it's so much different information out there. Bro, go watch my previous my first videos that I placed on this channel. You can be able to see how I once used to trade. And yeah, it's just so many different information out here, bro. I don't know how you got OBS to work on Mac. Whenever I try, it always lags for the cam and the screen. It's something they call bit rate. I'm not familiar with OBS at all. It's something called bit rate. I don't use the webcam that comes with the computer because I just don't like it, and I don't like the background I'm in. But I have this weird shit that I connected with the app that's on iPhone. It's weird. I don't like it, but it works. It lags, but it's gonna probably be the last day it be lagging. It's gonna probably be the last day of all this lagging. Yeah, I don't like that either. I'll go ahead and remove this. But this can possibly be a liquidity grab set up to sell down here. I'm not gonna keep this marked up. I'm gonna keep this marked up here. Obviously, I enter a break of candle, so the break of candle probably gonna be to like over here somewhere. $3 a pip. Thank you. And what do you trade? I trade support and resistance on a higher time frame, and I also trade supply and demand. I get my entries on a 5-minute and a 15-minute. I trade supply and demand. I get my entries on a 5-minute and 15-minute. Think about the NAS100 because the opens are getting ready to happen. The broker that I use, the trading platform that I use is Sway Markets. If you guys are interested in Sway Markets, use the link in the bottom of my description. Let me go ahead and put in this. Let me make sure this is the way I want it. All right, good. Just wanted to make sure. And then with ADD. All right, the stock market is getting ready. It's just me or the sound went off. Nah, that's you, bro. Like, my sound is on. All right, the open is getting ready to happen, bro. The open is getting ready to be here. It's a few seconds to open. I'm going to see what price does up in this supply area. AUD have that supply up there, and this NAS100 has this supply up there. And gold had a supply too. Gold just actually had a supply too. I didn't see that, but gold just had a supply. It just gave a supply entry too. Go to my sweep charts just in case I get my entry. I put my one click on so they don't tell me to confirm. We'll see what happens up in this supply order block. If I get a nice rejection, I will be entering this trade. If not, if it blasts through, it blasts through, and there's going to be nothing there. Be good for now. We got to get rejection from this area. I entered this trade very aggressively. My stop loss is at the top. I'm risking 54 bucks. This is a very risky trade, just so you know. This is a very risky trade. I didn't wait for no confirmation entry. I just got this rejection from this area. Price filling this imbalance. It grabbed this liquidity. This is a very risky trade. Might be a quick ass loss too. Big whoa! Yeah, damn, that was a quick ass loss. Fuck. That was a fast ass loss. Like I said, that was a really risky trade, bro. I seen that rejection from this supply, and that was an L, bro. No, that's a bro. I don't. Nah, no funded account. This is a live account. This is a live account. This is live. And you gave that look. That was a liquidity grab with AUD USD. I did have this marked up right here. And I said that may be a possible liquidity grab right here, because price also did not close outside of this order block, which means this trade is still, AUD USD is still valid. If you was to trade this liquidity grab setup right here, it's very valid. But I took my L for the day. I'm done for the week. Yeah, gold supply was nice. Yeah, gold was super. NAS100 was super bullish. Very, very bullish. Even if you guys would have actually got in at this, if you guys would have got in at that demand that I marked up for a buy to go to this area, you guys would have been straight off this shit. You guys would be good off that. Yeah, but I'm finna top out the live stream, bro. I took my L for the day. I took a win on Wednesday. I mean, on Tuesday. I only traded Tuesday. I didn't trade Monday. I trade Tuesday. It was a dub. I didn't trade Wednesday. I don't trade Wednesdays. I didn't trade yesterday. And today is Friday. I took a loss. We are back in the market next week. We bounce back next week. You guys have any questions? You guys go ahead and put it in the bottom, because in about a couple more minutes, I will be logging off the live stream. You too, man. Have a good weekend, bro. And before I exit out, man, you guys click the like button. I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. All right, you guys, y'all have a good rest of the day. And that being said, I'm going to see you guys next time.